So I've decided I'm gonna do a combination of cameras for my video. Everybody's gonna get what they like. Get a little bit of the vlogging style in the intro and outro, and we got the up close digital camera for the makeup tutorial portion of the video. So I hope y'all enjoy the combination. Everybody wins. Everybody's happy, right? I know y'all are sick of me talking about cameras. Y'all are like, girl, we want to see what's going on right here. So go ahead, just get to the intro. Let's go. Hey dolls and gents, I am back with the new Get Ready With Me video on this look, and this look is perfect for springtime. I kind of cheated today because I didn't use one eyeshadow palette like I've been using on my last makeup tutorials, but y'all have been asking me to do a video on the Limecrime Venus XL palette. This is what the palette looks like. Such pretty warm colors. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to do more makeup tutorials with this palette because clearly I didn't even touch like 1/4 of the colors in this palette. I think that I used like 3 or 4 colors in this palette, but I kind of cheated because I did use another eyeshadow palette too. I got this in PR like a few days ago and I just had to use it. Do y'all see these gorgeous like metallic rose shades? I was just like, this palette plus this one, just gorgeous. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And give your girl a thumbs up, okay? I've been coming through with these makeup tutorials, have I not? If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining the family and clicking that subscribe button. So this Get Ready With Me video is hair plus makeup style. I haven't done one in a while. I am rocking these gorgeous hair extensions from Tinashe Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I am rocking 4 bundles plus a lace closure. I have in 28, 26, 22, wait. I skipped a whole lot of numbers. Hold up. I am rocking 28, 26, 24, 22 plus a 20-inch lace closure. This is their Brazilian loose deep wave. I will have a link down below if you're interested in checking out these hair extensions. This hair is long, but it's super low maintenance. You will see how quickly I styled this hair. I have been back into lace closure wigs because they're so low maintenance. You don't have to worry about tweaking the hairline and making sure it's applied just right like lace frontals. So I've really been enjoying lace closure wigs, as y'all can tell as of lately. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair, by the way. It's super soft and it definitely has a lot of volume to it. I just wet the hair, so it's not as big as it normally is. When this hair is fully dry, it gets really big and beautiful, but I did want to go in and define the curls just a little bit today because I haven't defined the curls on this wig since I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks. I have experienced just a little bit of shedding and tangling with this hair, and it's normally when I'm detangling the hair, but other than that, I really don't manipulate the hair. I keep it in its natural state, and I just love the way that it looks. It's not quite curly, but it's a little bit more wavy than body wave, but not as deep wave. So it's like in between body wave and deep wave. If you would like to see how I did my makeup and styled my hair today, then definitely stay tuned, guys.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. Late night. We throwed up in my Benz like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they out there living this life. See my mama happy now cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life. I'm feeling this hype. Ooh, I'm flexing with my doobie in my pool. Smoking on that shit, it makes me cool. life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Oh, living this life, feeling this hype, doing it right, yeah.
One step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop. The first time that you stood me up, I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for. I'm still wanting more. Yeah.
Famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got changes, bro, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I'm still loaded. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved. By a champion, a champion.
was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball right now. Oh wow, you be calling on a weekend. I woke up like what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball right now. Think that I might just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just ball right now. Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, I'm where that at. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give your girl a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that thumbs up because I asked you to in the intro. If you're still watching this video and you haven't given your girl a thumbs up, what are you doing? Hit that thumbs up so we can keep it moving. I have many videos planned for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. And if you haven't already watched my last video, be sure to click the box right here. It will take you straight to a hair tutorial. I show you how I do the quickest braid style ever in life. Like, if you do not have enough time in the mornings to do your hair, then definitely check this tutorial out right here. I promise you won't regret it. All right, y'all. It's been nice chatting with you guys, catching up with you guys, but I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.